Hi everyone, welcome to Retro for You. I've decided this day to record over the video with this voice because basically I did record the sound but it didn't record for some reason. So it's like an overview voice, but I want you to see the video. So today we're back on the Amiga 500 Rusty, and today we're going to pull the chips. You can see I'm starting with PLCC puller. I'm going to pull out Fat Agnus. Of course it's very difficult to get out due to corrosion. Corrosion on this board is crazy, and now you can see there is slight corrosion on the chip legs, but I'm sure most of that will clean off with a fibre pen. I may end up having to replace the socket, I'm not quite sure yet. I'll see how it's like after it's been to the bath. So now you can see these are what I'm going to use to pull the other chips, like Paula, Gary, etc. So here we go. The noise now it's making was incredible. It's like lots of creaking and it's gone, but there you go. I sped up the video now because obviously you don't want to watch me pulling all these chips. Some were worse than others. That one came out a few bent legs, but none snapped. As you can see, it did straighten. The next ones were very difficult to get out. I actually resort to using a small bladed screwdriver. Just give them a bit of helping hand, as you can see. And after that, everything did eventually come out. But again, all the sockets are corroded inside. Just have to keep persevering with these. There you go. So now, I think that's all of there, is it? So that's all the chips pulled, basically. And now we're going to go on about desoldering all the ports. So first to do this a bit slow, obviously we're fluxing. You can't basically solder out flux. Soldering out flux is like running a car without oil. So basically flux all the joints, and now we've got my desoldering tool, which is basically a soldering iron with a small hole in the middle attached to a vacuum pump. So that basically heats up, and then as the solder flows, you press the button and it sucks the solder inside, thus removing the solder from the joints, as you can see. So the next video is basically, the next part of the video will be removing all these ports. Right, I'll leave you to a bit of music now because there's not really much more to explain. And now applying some extra heat, because obviously some of these solder pads, especially like the main joins at the side, are very big, so it's quite a lot of solder on them. So obviously the what's his name was not enough to heat to get it, so I had to pre-warm them. It makes the job a lot quicker. Now I'm desoldering each of the pins. Yeah, so big legs there, not a lot of solder. There's the first one removed. Number one. They're basically going along now and desoldering these and removing them as we go. So you know, I'm just applying a bit of heat again to just free this socket off. And then obviously we're back onto the 9-pin serials. Called 9-pin serial ports for the joystick ports on the Amiga, aren't they? So there's the ports off. Obviously all done now, all removed. The actual ports were actually rusted onto the board, so some of them are really difficult to get off. Saying now, Spain might replace that board. Thank you for watching. Just want to say we've reached over 100 subscribers and we're now 2 weeks old as well. Thank you again, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time in the CD32 recap. Thanks a lot, bye.